some fucking stew. Not good. What do you want, man?
What are we doing today, man? Or tonight, I should say.
Tonight, we're gonna sand our Bondo work. Maybe prime it. And then Ben's got the other 86. His 86? I don't even know. Ben's gotta explain what he's doing.
Engine bay, I'm trying to shave it. But also this car was in a pretty bad accident in the front, so I had to weld a new rad support up. And I don't know. Nothing really lines up anymore. I'm kind of over it, but yeah. Well, we'll hopefully paint and Bondo will make it look okay. Yeah, the motor's over there.
Looks real nice, man.
I feel like this car's never gonna run again.
Probably not. That's alright.
Definitely not.
That's okay.
Alright, Adam.
What?
You ready to become severely depressed?
Why?
After we reveal all of our terrible work. And we sand too far down from the Bondo.
Yeah, I don't think you're not getting the flapper disc. We're not allowed to use the flapper anymore.
We're not flapping shit, man. Strictly 180 grit for this.
I want my hatch open, man.
Your hatch is broken.
It's back there.
Huh.
It worked before.
But like it doesn't even pop anymore.
Well, that's not the fucking hatch you're pulling on.
Oh shit, I'll just destroy your car. Fuck you.
I just don't get it because we used it before.
Why are you even opening this?
Because I want to look at the rust back here.
Oh no.
Oh, rust everywhere.
Just don't move the carpet. Ooh.
Yeah, this is absolutely fucked. I don't know where we're gonna find
We're gonna be doing
hatch,
rust repair for the next like year, man.
Yeah, like literally juice box for you. Ben, stop fucking with it. Yeah, this shouldn't be too bad. Oh, it's right on the corner too. If there's rust on there, that's gonna be fucked. We'll leave that.
What was it?
Not good things.
There's sunlight under there.
Oh. Actually, I know how we're gonna fix this. We'll do a little strip. We'll cut here, bend a strip that's this shape, and then we'll weld this thing on.
Smart, man. Okay.
Then just say, uh-oh.
That's not good. Oh, by hand?
It's sanding pretty nicely.
Alright, this is gonna take us like 20 hours, so I'll set up a time lapse, and then me and Adam will get to work on this. Not going to be fun!
John Pizza.
Yeah.
What's going on over here, man? Holy shit.
Terrible.
Having fun or what?
Don't look at this part.
We should have our first pass with the 60 grit. Just hand blasting it. And still looks like shit. I think probably the game plan is, I think we're gonna have to lay it on pretty thick, man, to get it to look decent.
Well, there's a bunch of like little divots where it's like they're too far down like this. We're gonna have to like fill these with Bondo. So we definitely have to do another skim coat of Bondo.
Yeah, we're gonna try using cardboard this time to spread the Bondo.
Yeah, spreaders like this that are more like flexible. So hopefully they
Getting the crevasses a little better.
contour to it a little more.
No doubt. I think it's gonna look like shit no matter what we do until it has paint on it, and then it'll kind of like, you know?
No,
No.
but alright.
Okay. Alright, so we laid our second coat down. Not looking terrible.
Shit's drying. So now we're gonna fuck up Ben's car a little.
Oh, sorry about that one.
Okay, Ben, do something.
Bondo time.
Bondo bucket!
Yeah.
That's pretty precise, I don't know.
It kind of looks like a small dog pooing.
Okay. Why'd you watch Small Dogs Poo?
I watched a lot of you know, Dog Whisperer.
Caesar Milan.
Yeah. Okay.
What a guy, hey?
What a guy. Wow. Big Bondo guy. Whole car made out of Bondo.
Where's the card thing? Do you mind if I just fully smack this on your car?
No, because you just clean it up. Alright, so next episode, scrapping Ben's 86. Because this shit ain't going back together. Hosehead, come by this.
Great.
We're getting there.
Looks pretty good, actually.
Almost ready for primer.
Man, you just made a whole new low spot. What's going on there?
No, I didn't.
Oh, okay.
Just tell.
Okay, so we're back at Ben and Jason's. If you're watching this video, we already picked up the engine. That was the last video. So the timeline of this video is kind of fucked because we started the bodywork and then got the engine, and now we're finishing painting over the Bondo and shit in the engine bay. Adam's taking a piss right now, and then we're gonna get going on it. Boys just dropped $100 on paint. What do you think about that?
I think that's not in the fucking budget, man.
Yeah, no doubt.
Yeah, we got the engine rebuild kit, or not rebuild kit, refresh kit, the full gasket kit, timing belt kit, clutch kit coming. I think Ben got it today at Volvo. Parts Master Benson picked it up. So I guess we'll start on the 4AG this weekend, maybe.
This is where we left off. We laid a quick coat of primer.
What the fuck did I do with primer? Oh, here it is. Alright, we got the primer filler here.
Yeah, so we had to get the self-etching shit, or the filler primer. Then we had to buy the automotive paint.
That shit's fucking steep, man.
Anyways.
Yeah, we're gonna give this a quick, I think we're gonna tape it off, then give it a quick scuff with the old Brillo.
The old Scotch Brady.
Yeah, no doubt.
Okay, so update. We were taping it off and we weren't filming, and Adam decided to fire on the primer real quick.
Okay, it's not my fault.
It's alright. So that's what we're looking like now. Not looking too bad, all taped off, masked off. We got this Harbor Freight lighter going.
Ben's light, it's pretty unreal.
Pretty good, man.
Yeah, not bad.
Decent, eh?
Alright. We know you're not supposed to heat gun this shit, but a bit of a time crunch, so it's lightly heat gunning the primer. Try to get it to dry. So we can lay a couple of coats of paint down and see how this bitch goes.
I think it'll turn out pretty good.
Honestly, it doesn't really matter that much.
Turn up the bass and let the trunk rattle.
John Pizza.
Alright, so there you have it. Dank engine bay refresh paint. Yeah, also while we're at it, we deleted power steering. We cut the lines out, took them all out. We'll be just, well, it's not a power steering delete, it's like a power steering, what's it called? I don't know. But anyway, so we cut the lines. We're just gonna loop the lines on the power steering. I was thinking about buying a non-power steering rack, but they're like 300 bucks, maybe down the line. But otherwise, just looping the lines, filling it up with fluid, and then looping the lines will be good for now. I've done that on a couple Corollas. So yeah, this paint match, this Toyota paint match from Crappy Tire was pretty good. Not far off. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video where we're gonna be refreshing. Well, first we're gonna tear down the engine because get it all apart because we're sending the head away to get refinished and like cleaned or whatever, and the valve seal's done. And then we're gonna do all the gaskets on the motor, and then so yeah, next video, tearing down the 4AG for refresh. So stay tuned for that because you know it's gonna be absolutely donkus dick. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, say something nice in the comments. Maybe your favorite type of flower. Mine's those, what are those white ones called with the yellow part that are always in fields? Daisies, man. Daisies. I like those. Simple. They're kind of a weed. Kind of the scum of the earth, but they still look pretty cool. So I like those ones. Comment your favorite flower. But yeah.
Nice, man.
Subscribe. Trying to hit 10 million K. What are we at now? 11?
Yeah. Getting there, man.
We're getting there. Yeah, stay tuned for way more content on the 86. And yeah, skidoo!